Fetch. Fetch. Good bird. Up. Go back to your perch. Kitty. Fetch. Good bird. Up. Go to perch. Shake. Turn around. Nod. Nod. Wave. Wings. Good bird. Kili. Bang. Good bird. Up. Okay, go back to your perch. Kili! Good bird. Go get your last coin. Up. Go get your last coin. That's a good bird. Up. That's the first time she did it like that. Kili, fetch. Good bird. Kili, fetch. Come on, go. Good bird. Kili. Here's your treat. Go to perch. Fetch. Kili. Good bird. Go to perch. It's the first time ever we're going to try to do flighted puzzle. Kili, fetch. Kili, fetch. Good bird. Someone had a little brain fart there, didn't they? Yeah. Someone's a little dodo bird. But you got it. Okay. Go do your next piece. Kili, fetch. Kili. Kili, go fetch. Go fetch. Kili. Kili. Come on, come here. Go fetch. Go fetch. Kili, fetch. Good bird. Kili, go fetch. Good bird. Fetch. Good bird. Kili. Go to perch. Good bird. Sometimes I reward her for going back to the perch rather than coming to me, so she gets used to going back on cue too. Go ball! Yay! Good bird.
Kili!
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 Good bird. Hey.